Dorothy. Okay, so one of the questions that I have been asked by moms so many times is, at what age should my daughter start wearing makeup? How do I get her to start doing skincare? And here is my answer. There is no age on that. And what I told my daughters were, when you are able and mature enough to handle your skincare, then you can start wearing makeup. Now, I know that sounds a little dangerous, but here was the deal. They needed to be able to wash their face twice a day and moisturize it without me telling them or having to follow up with it for at least 2 weeks. If they missed a day, then they had to start all over. I know, right? Sometimes we don't even do that, but it creates a good habit of making sure that they're taking care of their skin, because if not, then they're going to get very frustrated with breakout and acne, and then when you add hormones to that, and a lot of times they will totally just go not worth it and stop wearing or not want to wear makeup for a few more years because it's just not worth the payout. So one of my daughters wanted to do that at like 11 or 12, and my husband was like, absolutely not. And I'm like, look, dude, I'm a makeup artist. I can't tell her no, she can't wear makeup. I mean, I can, but really she's just wanting to do what I do. And so that's when we said, you've got to wash your face twice a day. You've got to moisturize it every day. And I'm not going to remind you, and I'm not going to tell you, but I am going to check up. And if you forget, you've got to start all over. Well, that lasted about a week, and she was like, forget it, never mind, don't care. She actually started wearing makeup, I think about late 15, maybe early 16, because she got her skincare regimen down. So my answer to you would be, start with a skincare regimen, and once they have the discipline to do a good skincare regimen as a part of their routine and their lifestyle, then let them have the reward of introducing some makeup into it to give them the look that they want. So I will talk to you guys later. And remember, beauty is something you already have on the inside. You're just looking to bring it on the outside. I will talk to you soon.